welcome to this week's vlog. Today is Sunday, it's a long weekend and Bryn and I have decided to come adventuring up the coast. We're in Coolangatta at the moment. Cooley Rock Sun Festival's on, so if you can hear music, there's bands playing. And we're staying in the middle of it. We decided to just spontaneously book a room, an apartment at the Twin Towns Resort. So that's exciting. And I'll show you guys our room when we get up there. Alright, we're in our room.
Yeah.
Woohoo! It's so nice.
Don't have scissors in it.
Got the kitchen and the lounge room and a balcony with a really nice view. Oh. And then we've got the bathroom and the bedroom, which also looks out to this amazing view. And we are just so happy to be here, aren't we, Bryn?
Yeah. More photos in the cars.
You're so fluffy. So it's like 12 o'clock and we're getting evacuated. Everyone is getting evacuated from their rooms. There's fire brigades everywhere and there's supposed to be a fire, so I'll keep you updated.
Jade started the fire.
Everyone's going back to their rooms, but I don't understand. I need honey for my popcorn. So we're back in our room from having to leave because there was a fire. There's no fire. It's just a drill. There's literally no fire. We all had to leave our rooms for no reason. I want a refund. Alright, so it was a drill, but someone's actually gotten hurt. So now there's paramedics looking after this guy.
And I was sketching out.
Wild Sunday night, boys. We are home now from being up the coast. We actually got home like 4 hours ago, but we've just passed out. We were so tired from last night. So I'm about to go home and make some pumpkin risotto, I think, because I am starving. Absolutely starving. Good morning. It's Wednesday today. It's my last day off before I have to go back to work. And I just thought I'd video today to see if I get up to anything. And I just have to do a few things around the house. And I think I might go into Byron with Mum. Anyways, I thought I'd film in case I get up to anything interesting. So my friend and I are at the pass and we're just about to go for a walk and watch the sunset.